Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a handy feature on WhatsApp Web that lets you view all the shared documents in a group chat directly from your PC. Whether you're managing work files or simply keeping track of shared documents among friends, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to access them. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Simply head over to the WhatsApp website and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats and groups displayed on the screen. Next, locate the group where you want to view the shared documents. Scroll through your list of chats or use the search bar at the top to find the group quickly. Once you've found it, click on the group to open its chat window. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name prominently displayed. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This is where you can access all sorts of details about the group, including participants, notifications, and shared files. In the Contact Info panel, look for the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Click on it to expand this menu. Here, you'll find all types of files shared within the group: images, videos, links, and documents. Finally, select Docs from this menu. This will filter out everything except documents, allowing you to see a list of all shared files like PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and more. From here, you can easily scroll through and locate the specific document you need. And there, you have it. With just a few clicks, you can access all shared documents in any WhatsApp web group on your PC. This feature is perfect for staying organized and ensuring that important files are always within reach. Thanks for tuning in.